Hi, I'm Chef Stephen Hunter at the Culinary Institute of Canada. Today we're making a little bit of maple bacon to go on a burger. So we're going to start with some nice local smoked bacon, fairly thick cut, so you can get your butcher to slice this, okay? Or you can buy the thick cut bacon in the packages. I find that's best for this. We're going to lay it out on a rack that's on a sheet pan. And there's a little bit of tin foil on the sheet pan just to make cleanup a lot easier. So we've got some maple syrup. We're going to add a little bit of Dijon mustard. Okay, once we have our mixture whisked together, we're going to brush it onto the bacon. Okay, so just use a pastry brush, not a paintbrush. I'm just going to brush a generous amount on. Okay, so we've got a nice coating on the bacon. We're going to pop that in a 400-degree oven for about 15 minutes. Okay? And then after 15 minutes, we're going to turn it, we're going to brush it again. I'm going to give it another nice coat on the other side and then put it back in the oven. Now you can cook it for as long as you like. Obviously the sugar is going to caramelize on there. If you cook it too long it may burn, but you want to cook it so it's nicely rendered out, the bacon fat's nicely rendered.